everybody. I'm going to draw out what we talked about the other day, which was getting people signing up for free. The power of the word free. Okay? I did a video. Everybody loved it. Maybe not everybody, but most everybody. So I'm going to show you this right here. Okay, so how many days in a week? There's 7 days in a week, right? So if you were to go out and just get 20, give it away 20 times, TCP away 20 times a day, get 20 trials. Remember, there's no credit card required. It's absolutely free. That equals 140 people, right? 7 times 20 is 140 people. Let's say out of 140 people, 50 of them upgraded. So let's do the math on this. 50 of them upgraded. So you got 50 times 25 bucks. You put $1,250 in your pocket in 1 week. Okay. Now, how does this all play out on the trial? Okay, so let's describe that. Let me just clear this off real quick. Let's say you're a free member. You just got started. You haven't paid anything yet, but you realize the math on this. Okay, and so you wanted to hurry up. So you go out and you get 7 days in a week. Got 20 people. You signed up. 140 and 50 upgraded, which is 1,250 bucks commissions. Okay. Well, here's the deal. You got 7 days free, and after 7 days, you got to pay $50. These people up here, you gave them 7 days free, so their first week they haven't paid any money in. So are you going to get paid the first 7 days? No, you won't get this $1,250. So you have to upgrade to your 50, or you're going to miss out on this. So how would you like to throw $1,200 in the trash if you didn't upgrade? Because what happens is their second week in the business, so this is the first week they're free, their second week they pay the 50, and as long as that's before Friday at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time, you are paid that the following Friday. So you'd get paid $1,250. So let me show you how this works. So you joined for free, they joined for free. So for a week, you didn't make anything. The next week, they paid. The following week, you get paid. So about 2 weeks later, you make $1,250. So let's say that's all you did, and you put $50 in, and you made $1,250. That's a profit of $1,200. Well, here's where it gets really crazy. Let's say this is all you did ever, and you didn't want to do anything more than this. As long as these people stayed active, you make this monthly. So $1,200 monthly projected, let's say times 12 months, is really $14,400 as long as all of them stayed active. So imagine working on it for a week and then you adding to your yearly income $14,000 a year. Now what if you did this for 4 weeks in a row or 5 weeks in a row, or what if you did this every week, every single week? You can start to see how this would add up to massive monthly commissions. So the power of free, people come in for free, but when they realize how easy it is to come in for free, that it didn't cost them anything, they didn't have to put a credit card, it's very easy to go pile on referrals. And if you got 140 people, 50 out of 140 is not a stretch at all. We've seen actually a lot more people come on board out of 140 that upgraded. So this is actually pretty low numbers compared to what we're actually seeing. So when you understand this math, you're going to want to go out and do this. Now, that stupid saying, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time, right? Dumb, who eats elephants? Dumbest quote ever. But the thing about it is don't look at 100, how am I going to get 140? Give it away 20 times a day for free. You're on Facebook groups that have thousands and thousands of people. Finding 20 people a day to give this to with Craigslist and Twitter and Facebook is not hard to do. Again, there's no money out of their pocket. So giving it away for free is the easiest thing you can do. Shoot for 20 a day. Don't go shoot for 140 in a day. I mean, you can, but try for 20 a day. If you don't get 20 today, let's say you got 15. Let me clear this off real quick. Let's say you gave away 15 a day. Well, tomorrow, give away 25. You know, if you got 13 today, the next day, try to get 40. At the end of the week, realistically, you're really shooting to grab at least 100 a week and getting half of those to upgrade. So however you got to break it down, but don't look at this big number. Look at the smaller number. hey, I can go find 20 people a day that are suffering in their business, that don't know how to get leads, that don't know how to get signups, that suck at making money, that would love this. It doesn't cost them any money to join. 20 people a day is super easy to give it away, and then watch your upgrade. And then follow our training on how to do upgrades. And if you don't know what to do on the upgrade front, if you go over here to TCP forum.com and you actually click on where it says forum, we have a whole thing, a whole video here. Let me find it. Scroll down to page 2. How to follow up with a TCP trial member. So we have a whole video that shows you exactly what to do. I even have a page I built with the share code on how to follow up with people. So we can't make this any easier, everybody. We really, really have this in the bag. The people that are making big money are doing this. The science is already there. You know, all you got to do is follow it. That's it.